Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. I want to talk to you a little bit about a rubric that you've probably seen before, but this has to do with the FRQs that you guys are going to be experiencing throughout the school year. I know some of you are like, oh, not again, but unfortunately, the district does require us to have you guys write a little bit about math. So it's not just about solving problems, it's about being able to communicate your ideas. So, right here in this middle column, we're going to talk about the idea of communication. That column refers to whether the fact that you can explain in words what you're trying to get across. So it's about using the proper math language. It's about being explicit with the language and using the correct vocabulary and able to communicate your math ideas. So for that middle column, communication, this is an explanation using words. Okay? I'm also going to talk about representations. So, representations has a lot to do with being able to represent an idea in different ways. So, this is like a graph, a table, a picture, equations, drawing a model. There's all kinds of different things. When we use algebra tiles, that's a representation. When you create a graph, that's a representation. So, this last column has to do with how well you're able to come up with a representation that is accurate. Of course, as we move down the rubric, you see the word novice, you see apprentice, practitioner, and of course, expert. Your goal is to always be an expert. Now, we can't expect you to be experts right off the bat. You do have to work towards it. So, from the very beginning, that's what the purpose of these activities are, is to kind of get you acclimated and used to communicating mathematically and creating those representations that you need to create. So, those are the two ideas that we're going to focus on today: communication and representation.